So today my niece is gonna do my makeup for me. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. All right.
It's broken.
Where should we start?
We should start.
Ooh, that is tart. Okay. Oh, we'll play with that one later. Okay. Should we put it on the table?
Yeah.
So here's the makeup. And what's that?
Okay, let me. So, hi friends. We will start with something else.
What are we gonna start with?
What we will start with? I don't know what to start with. What I will start with?
Primer. Do we need something for the face for primer?
Yeah.
Okay. What tube is that? No, that's lipstick. You want to start with lipstick first?
Yeah.
All right. Show it to the people. What lipstick is that?
Hi people. Look at a lipstick. Is it pretty?
All right.
Let's say
Put it
it's
on.
pretty.
What color is it? Like a brownie.
Hold on, Tom. I don't know what color it is.
Bear it all. Bear it all. From Wet n Wild. All right. Go ahead.
You want to see her beautiful face?
Yeah.
So, you hold her to see it and you tell this is a camera to not see.
Mhm.
So, no. See, it's not really on my face. Breathe in. Ooh, then that's a big deal.
Good.
That's enough. Ooh, that's a big deal.
Should I smack my lips together?
Yeah.
Okay. Nudie one.
So, is it pretty guys?
Yeah, I think so.
Next is,
Primer?
yeah, fine.
We do this?
Yeah.
Show it to the people.
Okay. Look at eyes. So this is a spa day with her niece.
Yes, spa day. Where does that go?
I don't know.
On my face, on my cheeks?
Cheeks.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a big deal.
Okay, see.
Hey guys, you can see me.
Other side?
Yeah. Let me spin you so you can see me. Spin you. Is it pretty guys? Yeah? I think they said yeah.
Okay. Are we done with this?
Yeah, we're done. Do you have a top for me?
Yes.
Spinny, spinny.
So what makeup look are you gonna do on me?
Next one?
What's my makeup gonna look? Is it gonna be like makeup no makeup, natural, all out, girls night out?
You can see one the party show.
Okay.
We need to hurry up for party show.
Yeah. Foundation? We
Yeah.
do foundation or concealer?
I think.
Let's do concealer. Is that concealer?
I think.
Okay. Let's show it to the people.
Let's go out, Taru.
I'm gonna do concealer.
This is concealer. This is on top. So, let's get it.
And where are we gonna put that at?
So sorry guys, you made that blind, but you're not blind.
Oh, okay. Oh, it has some lashes in there.
Hey! What do you put those on?
Caterpillar lashes. Maybe we'll put them later. Remember last time we put them on? Okay.
Let's put this on. Eyeliner. What side are you on?
Let me do.
What guys?
I think they said pinky.
I think they said a black. And they said this one.
Okay, that gray one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's broken. What guys? I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. What do you want? I didn't hear them, but they picked this one.
Okay, let's go with that one.
You can
This
see
is a
it.
surprise.
Yeah, surprise.
Alright.
Open your eyes.
Maybe we put more?
Yeah, sure. Ooh, then now we can see it. You need
Oh, okay, yeah, now we can.
this. Open your eyes.
Okay. Ooh. I'm liking it.
We just stole our beginning, but do you like one now?
Mm-hmm.
We can't let you see.
Yeah, let's see our final product once it's finished.
Yeah.
Okay. What color should we do?
I think they said this one. I mean this one.
That black one? That brown one?
Do you said this brown one? Yeah? What's this for?
It's concealer.
What is it for?
So it hides your marks. And that goes under your foundation. Because after that, then it's our foundation.
What is foundation?
It's that bottle with the black cap.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Go down, guys. Touch your nose. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't see, guys.
No peeking.
No peeking, guys. Open your eyes, guys.
Okay. Foundation time.
Foundation time. Hey, guys. Don't peek. My dad will show you it. Come on, guys.
Are you my makeup artist?
Yeah. Yeah. If it moves. It's a bit burning my hand.
It's not burning it. Tell the people how old you are.
Look at that. Mine have 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine have 4.
And your favorite color is?
And my favorite turtles are turtles or people. But my best turtle it's pink. Pink. What? Why would I stick my finger up? And I am this. So. Guys, what's it? This thing, guys, not food. What, guys? Oh, you want to put makeup on yours?
How are they looking?
They look good. Look at them.
Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good.
How am I able to take this off though?
You can swivel it around like that. And then you can put it on my face till it's gone.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. You could do that too.
Okay, there's one. Tap your chin.
Mm-hmm.
Look at your eyelashes. Ooh, pretty. No? Ooh, let me touch it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See this?
No, that don't go on my lips. That goes on my eyelashes. These little here.
Open. Guys, don't close your eyes. Don't peeking. Open your eyes, guys. But there's a little mess.
Yeah, a little messy.
Okay, guys. Then we will clean that up.
Ooh.
Look at that. Beautiful. Hey, guys. Woo!
Okay.
Woo! Don't run.
Ooh. open. Which one should we do?
I don't know. Girlfriend. A blemish? A blemish pink? Okay, it's a blemish pink. So soft.
Yeah, it is soft. Ew.
Ooh.
Let's swatch on that.
Let me put it close.
So this is what we're gonna use for our highlight.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Where does it go?
Right here on the right. Cheeks right here.
On your bum bum cheek.
Mhm.
Put it on your bum bum cheek. Close your eyes, guys. It's so small. Open your eyes, guys. Just like Peppa Pig, right?
Just like Peppa Pig.
Open your eyes, guys. Are they open? Let me tell them. I said yes. Wait, I can reach you, guys. Banana, Meda's using my flippy toes. Ooh. Jump. See my jumping moves, guys?
So what you got next for me, Zizi?
Close your eyes.
I'm closing.
Can't move. Hi.
I'm scared.
There we go.
Ooh.
Can I put it on my face?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me do my makeup. Guys, I'm sorry. What, guys? Madam needs to be sorry? You want more makeup?
Maybe do that next time. My eyelashes. Let's do our eyelashes. That's what we're missing.
Yes. Hold on. Hold on, guys. It's falling. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, I got my eyelashes. Eyelashes done
Bye-bye.
by Zizi.
Now I can do my makeup.
Yes. For next time.
Now let me do my makeup.
Let's say bye to the peoples. Bye to the peoples.
You don't
And
want
stay
it.
tuned
And
for our next video on doing Zizi's makeup. Bye.
bye.